All right, let's start right out with the 48-hour precipitation estimates by Doppler radar. Scan after scan estimating how much rain has fallen. We see the big winners all the way from eastern portions of South Dakota and right up into Mahnomen County, Clearwater County, and up, well, very close to the eastern Polk County area. In these areas, rainfall estimates between 2 and 3 inches of rain. And that punched up into the north now as we went through the overnight hours. Grand Forks getting a little taste, but many of us between a trace and a half of an inch where you see the blue colors here, and 2 to 3 down by Sisseton as well. Rain continues in the same spots that have been getting it. A little bit more starting to punch into northwest portions of Minnesota. It's much needed there. We've had way too much in Lakes Country with reports in Otter Tail County from a couple of folks I've talked to out that way of nearly 4 inches of soggy rain while it's been dry out to the west. That dry trend will continue. Walking up the valley from Sisseton all the way up I-29, notice the band of heaviest showers just off to the west of the I-29 corridor. So central parts of Clay County and Richland County getting abundant rainfall at this hour, and it continues in Fargo-Moorhead as well. This spreads into western Norman County, crosses the Red River into western Polk County. So the Crookston area picking up much needed showers, as is Thief River and the Red Lake Falls area, as well as New Fulton. This is starting to punch its way back off to the east. Here's a look at a soggy photo or view from our live Corwin Auto Tower cam. Looking off to the west, it's a wet and soggy drive out there. Temperatures are in the mid-40s with a north wind at 13 miles per hour. Your sunset tonight, 8:07, and we will not see it here in the valley. Warmer temperatures out to the west. In the yellows, we're approaching 60 degrees. In the central part of the Dakotas where the drought has worsened for many there. It has worsened in the Devil's Lake Basin, and you could really use some moisture. Not in the cards tonight. Look at this. Here's the cutoff line, staying dry there. Set it into motion. The wind dies down. The rain, notice it decreases in intensity between now and 10 o'clock, and it's still kind of persistent in northwest portions of Minnesota. Overnight, a little bit of a break with hit and miss showers here and there, and then tomorrow, more rain in the same places that have been getting it the last couple of days. Southern Valley, best chance of rain in the early half of the day. Watch what happens as we set this into the motion. 40s warm to the mid 40s to 50s out to the west. The rain showers persist and expand into central portions of Minnesota where we do not need more moisture. You're going to get some of the heaviest tomorrow. By the time we get to the 3 o'clock hour, it's on its way out. We'll start to see some breaks in the clouds, but it's going to be very gusty in the places where it's very dry. So that fire danger will be extreme out to the west for the day tomorrow, and where there's a wind advisory in the James River Valley. Rainfall potential between now and tomorrow will be a trace to a third for many. I still think we'll see pockets of a ½ inch to an inch, and that could be in places like Wadena County and the eastern reaches of Becker and Otter Tail may just sneak in that amount as well. 40s east. 50s to near 60 to the west as windy conditions will persist for many. Sherry capturing this at Union Lake, Sandhill Cranes, just beautiful, colorful shots. Thanks for sharing. Let's talk about the extended forecast, some highlights to share with you. The rain ends after Friday. Saturday, a break for everybody. We'll see some 60s out to the west to near 70 in portions of the central Dakotas. Then Sunday, quiet, near 60 again, but late in the day, rain moves into the southern valley and snow up north. First alert weather day for Monday. We'll have periods of rain mixing with snow, changing to all snow late for many of us. There will be accumulations, particularly up north. First alert weather days Monday into Tuesday morning. So it will impact greatly the evening commute on Monday for some and the Tuesday morning commute for others. We'll keep you apprised to the latest on that. But you can see wet mixing over and changing to some snow for us as we go through the day on Monday with a little bit of wind. We're talking about accumulating potential here, several inches showing up by models. Because it's so far out, we're not going to talk about how many inches of snow just yet, but suffice it to say, we'll keep our eyes on it. Notice where this is, Stacy, right where we need the moisture the most, the Devil's Lake Basin into the central part of the Dakotas.
I mean, good news there, even if it is snow, I guess. Thanks so much, Hutch.